Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Welcome to our group report on Penang Central Terminal. We are Group 2 from BJTLK 2013, and this project was carried out for our subject Fundamental of Logistics and Transportation under the guidance of Dr. Izzatul Husna. Our research journey started with a simple question: what's make a transportation hub successful? We explore various options, but we drawn to Penang Central for its strategic role in connecting multiple transport modes and contributing to economic growth. Our team brainstormed and divided tasks based on each member's interests and strengths. Before we begin, we planned our workflow and assigned specific sections. We collected data from official website, government document, and news article. We used secondary research method to analyze Penang Central infrastructure, historical development, and economic impact. Each member handling one topic, and we communicate weekly through online meetings. History of Penang Central. Penang Central was inspired by a success of KL Central. The project was introduced in 2007 by the Prime Minister Tun Abdullah Ahmad Badawi. Its goal was integrate to Northern Region public transportation into one efficient terminal. The first phase opened in 2018, connecting ferry, rail, and bus services. The terminal includes retail shop, food outlets, and parking level from 6 to 9. There are a total of 8 phases planned for development.
Weh, Alif. Buat apa kat sini?
Saja tengok penampak ni.
Oh, ya ke? Besar juga Penang Port ni. Dekat dengan Terminal Central juga. So, boleh tak dia nak tanya sikit dengan Alif?
Boleh je.
Apa yang Alif tahu pasal cargo port ni dekat Penang Central?
Pasal penampak ni banyak jugalah Alif tahu serba sedikit lah. Iaitu sebabkan kawasan Pulau Pinang ni merupakan sebuah negeri ada yang mempunyai banyak kawasan perindustrian. Jadi perlunya ada sebuah pelabuhan lah untuk memurahkan lagi pergerakan barang masuk dan juga barang keluar, dan juga pengantaran barang-barang mentah. Jadi dengan adanya penampak ni kan, penampak ni dapat membantulah menjana ekonomi negara dan juga ekonomi negeri setempat, iaitu Pulau Pinang sendiri.
Future Development Plans. Penang Central's future is bright. The ongoing Penang Transport Master Plan includes the LRT Mutiara Line. This will create a 6 kilometers cross-channel link to the island, enhancing mobility and urban development. The LRT will connect the airport, Free Industrial Zone, and Georgetown to Penang Central, boosting long-term growth.
A robust and efficient transportation network is a vital component of Malaysia's economic expansion. This multi-mode transport hub, Penang Central, located in Butterworth, is purpose-built to help drive that expansion when it launches in 2017. It's a development of Penang Central Sendirian Berhad, a wholly owned subsidiary of MRCB.
Why was it built there? The location in Butterworth was chosen strategically. It connects direct to the Sultan Abdul Halim Ferry Terminal, KTM Rail Station, and major highways. Penang Central sits within the Northern Corridor Economic Region, NCER, making it ideal for regional logistics and passenger flow. It also supports urban redevelopment in Butterworth. How it supports economic development. Penang Central supports economic growth in 3 major ways. First, it boosts tourism by serving as a gateway to Penang Island. Second, it creates job opportunities in transport, logistics, and retail. Third, It enhanced mobility across Malaysia into the southern Thailand, reducing costs and time.
Ni first time kan juga kalau nak tahu Padang Central ni bukan sahaja transportation tapi ada fungsi sebagai mall juga tau untuk tengok mall ini Padang Central ni buat dari ekonomi baru tau kita punya structure lah kita ekonomi ni kita nak tahu banyak lagi sebentar.
How it supports national development. On a national level, Penang Central aligned with Malaysian development goals. It integrates multiple modes of transport, improve urban infrastructure, and promote inclusive regional development. With shopping centre, hotel, and commercial zones, the project support economic diversity and job creation. It also helped decentralize urban growth from Kuala Lumpur. Integration of three modes of transport. Penang Central is Malaysia's best example of integrated transport. The terminal connects bus, train, and ferry services under one roof. Passenger can walk seamlessly between modes through covered linkway and escalators. This reduces dependency on private transport and make commuting efficient.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. So, saya akan interview seorang passenger yang selalu guna bas. So, hai awak, nama apa?
Nama Seti, asal Kuantan.
Asal Kuantan. Okay. So, boleh ke saya nak bertanya beberapa soalan kat awak? Okay. So, which means, yang pertama, kalau setiap hari kan, awak guna lebih tak type of transport? Contohnya macam guna KTM ke guna bas je ke? Kalau daily life, hari-hari?
Grab. Naik Grab, selalu naik Grab. Naik Grab perkara naik KTM. Itu je lah. Naik tu pas kalau macam nak balik Kuantan selalu naik bas kat sini lah.
Okay, selalu kerap naik bas ke, naik KTM ke, naik Grab?
Grab.
Grab lah. So macam bas tak selalu lah.
Bas ni kalau macam daripada nak balik Kuantan je naik bas.
So yang kedua, awak fikir senang tak macam nak switch? Macam pergi bas, pergi KTM, pergi ferry, senang tak? Macam nak switch lah, nak pergi tempat tu?
Ambil masa jugalah dalam 5 minit macam tu.
Oh iya ke? Tapi senang lah?
Senang lah.
Okay. Soalan ketiga, apa yang awak suka dan tak suka dekat terminal Penang Central ni? Contohnya macam dia punya services ke yang awak pernah hadap lah?
Alhamdulillah setakat saya naik bas ni tak adalah servis yang teruk, semua okey lah, yang baik daripada diorang punya staff apa semua. Lepas contoh macam kita tanya bas kita dah bergerak ke belum apa semua, diorang macam cakap elok-elok lah, macam kan setengah dia cakap macam kasar-kasar, macam kejap-kejap macam tu. Walaupun diorang busy tapi diorang still layan elok-elok.
Okay, so yang seterusnya, awak rasa better parking option, maksudnya perlu ada tambah baik tak dari segi parking ni untuk encourage orang guna Penang Central ni? Kan awak kata awak selalu naik Grab kan, patut tak nak tambah dari segi keselesaan dari segi parking tu?
Patut perbanyakkan parking supaya kiranya macam orang kan sekarang ni kan orang ramai naik bas ikut sini kan. Okay. So macam memudahkan untuk tak jam lah.
Okay, yang keempat, awak rasa Penang Central ni lebih sesuai guna traditional tiket ke ataupun digital tiket?
Dua-dua boleh. Sebab untuk kalau tradisional untuk orang tua, kalau digital untuk orang macam muda-muda kan. So macam kalau original saja, macam warga emas ni tak boleh nak, dia macam nak tak tahu nak guna macam mana untuk digital. So lebih baik guna dulu.
Okay, awak rasa selamat tak dekat Penang Central ni pagi dengan malam?
Alhamdulillah selamat. Saya pernah naik, pernah sampai Penang Central pukul 2 pagi ada, 3 pagi ada, tapi alhamdulillah selamat sebab ada polis ada jaga ada.
Oh, okay, faham. Saya nak tanya, awak rasa sebelum ni macam apa development sebelum dengan selepas? Awak selalu guna ke ataupun macam baru je lately ni guna? Selalu guna. So ada tak development yang awak nampak macam contoh dia tambah baik dari segi diorang punya building ke? Ada tak? Ada. Okay, apa yang awak tengok macam
Macam
dulu macam mana, sekarang macam mana?
dulu macam mana? Sebabnya
Okay je. Okay je.
selalu naik bas malam tau, bukan siang macam ni. So macam sekarang pun diorang dah tambah macam apa ni, kedai-kedai tu kan dulu sikit
Oh,
je.
dulu tak ada
Dulu
macam
ada
sikit.
tapi sikit je lah. Sekarang pun ada Mitsu, ada macam-macam dia buka.
Oh, so senang lah macam untuk awak untuk dapatkan.
Sementara nak tunggu bas tu boleh lah pergi makan aiskrim ke apa ke.
Okay, terima kasih. Terima kasih untuk interview session. Okay guys, hello. So right now we want to do interview sessions. A beautiful woman beside me. So, hi, what is your name?
Hi, my name's Kristen.
So, where are you from?
Germany.
Oh, okay, Germany guys. So, can I ask you some questions regarding Terminal Central?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, first of all, I want to ask, are you using more than one type of transport today?
Yes.
So, what is the examples?
I took the ferry from Georgetown here,
Okay.
then I'm taking the bus to Calais and then a plane.
Oh, okay. You're so cute. Okay. Do you think it's easy to switch between train, ferry, and bus here?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you think what is the estimated time to switch between train, ferry? 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Yeah, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes depending on where you have to go.
Okay, so it's easy. So what do you like or dislike about transport connection at Penang Central?
I guess that board takes too long to switch over.
Okay. So what do you like at Penang Central? Like
services or yeah, the services, the facilities. It's easy to find your way when you've never been here.
Oh, okay. So number 4, would better parking option encourage you to use Penang Central?
I mean, I can't drive here, so
Okay. So next question. Should Penang Central focus more on digital ticket or traditional ticket? What do you think?
what kind of ticket?
Should Penang Central focus more on digital ticket?
Oh, digital.
Yep. Or traditional ways?
I'm-
What do you think?
I mean, I prefer digital, but I think it's just very handy because everyone has a smartphone nowadays.
Okay, understood. So next questions. Do you feel safe at Penang Central, like a day or night? So currently, do you feel safe or like you feel uncomfortable?
No, I feel safe.
So next questions. Any other suggestions for future upgrades?
Not right now, no.
Okay. Do you aware some development over here or this is your first time?
My first time being here.
I see. So next question. So how do you feel Penang Central Terminal helps you with daily travel?
I think it does because there's a lot of bus options to take to a lot of different places.
So that's all from us. Thank you so much. Say thank you. Bye.
Analysis and discussion of findings. From our analysis, we found that Penang Central isn't just a terminal. It is a symbol of smart infrastructure and sustainable urban planning. It supports Penang's economic ambition while settling a model for integrated transportation nationwide. However, its full potential depends on completing all planned development phases.
Kalau korang nak tahu, ada satu section tau dekat Penang Central ni, iaitu section bas Kitara Bandar. Cuba korang tengok, ada banyak bas Kitara Bandar ni yang dioperasikan oleh My Rapid Bus. Kat sini ada 2 section, iaitu satu bas express di mana bas perkhidmatan bas untuk ke luar negeri ataupun ke daerah yang lain, dan juga bas Kitara Bandar iaitu bas yang keliling bandar lah. Boleh lihat kat sinilah tempat di mana bas-bas Kitara Bandar akan mengambil penumpang dan menurunkan penumpang mereka.
Our main challenges were gathering up-to-date information and aligning our schedules. Site visits were limited, so we rely heavily on online resources and secondary data. Despite this, we ensure that our sources were credible and verified by government portal. Conclusion and reflection. To conclude, Penang Central play a key role in Malaysia's push of integrated transportation. It creates opportunity for people, business, and the country economy. We learn not only about infrastructure, but also about collaboration, time management, and the importance of logistics in nation building.
Tinggi lagi friend.